Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a flower pot. Let's start off by drawing a horizontal rectangle that tapers in slightly towards the bottom. Next, draw a large trapezoid underneath it like so. From the top of the pot, draw two curved parallel lines for a stem. And on top of that, draw some petals with some C shapes like so. In the middle, add a big circle to finish off the flower. And at the base of the stem, add two thin leaf shapes. And now you got a flower pot!